This is our cable row machine. There are a few different attachments you can use depending on the kind of grip that you want to use for your row. Just take a look at what we have and find one that works for you. If you're curious and need a reminder as to how this machine works, we've got a little bit of a demonstration here. The only adjustment you do have to make other than your handle is going to be the weight. So here we have an orange adjustable pin. You can stick it in any of the numbers that work best for you. I recommend starting low and adding more. The other nice thing is that if you set it on top, it has a little magnet in it, so it's not going to roll all over the place if you want to use 15 pounds, because the pin doesn't fit in 15 pounds. So I'm going to put it on 30 pounds, but if, for instance, you wanted it to be 32.5 pounds, you could rent one of these attachments from our front desk by exchanging your Eagle One ID. You just slide it on there and it's going to add a little bit of weight to get you in between those different 15-pound increments. In order to get loaded in, you'll sit on the machine, on the seat, put your feet on the foot plates, lean forward and grab your bar or your handle. We're gonna start in the starting position. So shoulders are down, back is flat, elbows are close to the body. Go ahead and move just the back muscles, letting your arms follow through, and then slowly bring it forward. Some people tend to bring their entire body, and that's not isolating the back muscles as much as the machine is meant to do. So go ahead and keep your upright body, engage those back muscles, and allow your arms to follow through.